Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a political banner in Canva. After creating your Canva account, I want you to tap on Create a Design in the top right hand corner. In the search box, you're going to type in banner. Then from there, you can either choose to create a landscape banner or a portrait banner. So for this example, we will be creating a landscape banner. So we are going to select landscape. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be provided with a blank canvas, as you can see right here. Now I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, and in the search box you're going to simply type in politics. So you can type in politics right here, or you can type in political campaign. After you have done that, you can see that we are provided with numerous templates, and you can also change the template style. So for example, you could tap on vote for me. You can see the different template options that you can choose from, as you can see right here. After you have selected the template option, you can scroll down and then you can select a template of your liking. So for example, let's say we were to select political campaign. Then for example, we are going to be selecting a random template. Let's say for example this one. You'll simply tap on it. After you have done that, you can see the image that has been added right here. Now we are going to be removing this image. So to do that, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, and then from there you could tap on upload files, and you can select the candidate, and you can upload an image of the candidate that will be running for the political position. Or you could tap on elements, and from there you can type in politician, and you'll be provided with some copyright free images that you can use. So we're just going to be selecting a random image. So let me scroll down. Let's say for example this image right there. We could add this image and use it. And you can also change the background. So for example, we could select the background, then tap on delete, and then just add this image and then pull it out, as you can see right there. After you're finished, you can edit the rest of information. So for example, you can edit the individual's name right here. So we'll change the vote for Jason, and you can see it right there. You can also change the font style by tapping where you see now on my screen. You could change it to whatever font style you want. So you can see the different options that you can choose from, and you can also change the size of the font. So let me choose a font style that I like. So for example, composite. So you can see it right there. Then we can tap where you see 157 on my screen, and you could change the font size to, for example, let's say 170. So you can see it right there. And you can also change the color of the font by tapping on the capital A if you want. You can change the text information by tapping in the box. Then you'll be able to type whatever you want right there. You can change the date also by tapping here. You can edit the date. You can edit all of this information. If it is the case that you like to change the background color, all you'll need to do is tap on the current color or box. Then you can tap on the color box from the top menu option, and you could choose a background color of your liking. As you can see right there, there are numerous options you can choose from. After you have chosen a background color of your liking, but I like the red, you can simply tap on share in the top right hand corner, then scroll down, tap on download, and from here you'll now be able to download your banner. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to create a political banner on Canva.